My previous videos were dedicated to different patterns and strategies, but those need to be practiced on regular basis. So today I would like to show you a few trades and analyze them to help you understand the market and its movements a bit better. So let's start.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
What we see here is an uptrend. The price is moving along this trend line and eventually runs into the level of support. Well, this serves as a great signal for us to make a move. Call option, 5 minutes. And note that I have the Bull's Power and the Bear's Power indicator on my screen. But in this case, I didn't actually use them. What I did was I analyzed the candlesticks, the market and its movements. And here's how the chart looked in a few moments. So let's move on to our second trade for today, which I find a bit more interesting. First, we see the double top pattern right away, and that means that the market should be heading down towards at least this level of support. Second, a look at our indicators. The top MACD line is starting to cross the bottom one, while the RSI has been staying in the overbought zone for quite some time. After putting all of these together, I decided to buy another call option that expires in 10 minutes. Moving on, the 30-minute time frame of our third trade greets us with yet another downtrend. So let's identify the level of resistance the market should bounce off of. Both stochastic and vortex lines indicate that the market has been overbought for a long time, something that usually followed by a price fall. After switching to the 10-minute time frame, we see that the parabolic SAR points have just become forming, and as we remember, new points mean trend reversal. All of these further prove that our initial analysis was correct, so we can be sure to buy a put option that expires in 10 minutes. It was the double impulse pattern that helped me make this last trade. If you want to learn more about it, you can watch another one of my videos by clicking here. I've already missed the perfect entry point, so let's look for some clues. I'm going to base this on MACD and stochastic that both indicate that the market will go down, so we go short for 3 minutes. So that's pretty much it for today. A quick reminder, all my announcements and the analysis of my trading activity and also my trading signals can be found on my Telegram channel, so consider subscribing. I hope this video was useful for you. See you soon, stay safe and be in touch.